Okay, a little update. I believe I have everything done. Took a grand total of a few tools and some Vaseline. Obviously, get those in. My wife was watching 50 Shades of Grey last night. I normally, as far as that movie, this, I believe, is something about anal fisting. No anal fisting? Okay, well, on to the other one. So she cycled the key a couple times. I'm going to grab the light here. We got to hurry because we can only do 1-minute videos. But kick it over and see if it starts. See if I know what the fuck I'm doing. Make sure and put it in neutral. I don't know. I got a fire extinguisher. Yeah. Which one? The fire or the extinguisher? I'm good on both. Just don't run me over. Okay. There you go. Hurry. And there you go.